In 2025, something important happened. The world's oceans became hotter than ever before, not just at the surface, but deep below. Scientists confirmed that the ocean stored more heat in 2025 than in any year ever measured. This was not the first time. It was the 9th year in a row that the ocean broke its own heat record. Most people never heard about it, but this quiet change is already affecting the planet and the creatures that live far below our sight. The part of the ocean we never see. When people imagine the ocean, they picture waves and sunlight. But sunlight only touches the top layer. Below about 700 meters, light disappears. The water becomes dark, cold, still. This region is called the deep ocean. It covers most of Earth. For thousands of years, the deep ocean stayed almost the same. Temperatures barely changed. Life there evolved to survive in a world of balance and stability. Scientists once believed this part of the ocean was protected from climate change. They were wrong. What scientists are measuring now? Scientists track something called ocean heat content. It shows how much extra heat the ocean absorbs. What they are seeing is clear. Each year, the ocean holds more heat than before. More than 90% of the extra heat caused by greenhouse gases goes into the ocean. Some of that heat is now reaching deep layers that were once always cold. In 2025, measurements showed warming not just near the surface, but thousands of meters below. This is new, and scientists are still trying to understand what it means. How do we know this is real? Humans cannot visit the deep ocean easily, so scientists use machines. Floating robots move up and down through the water. Sensors sit on the ocean floor for years. Satellites collect data from above. These tools record temperature again and again. A change of 1/10 of a degree may seem small, but across an ocean this large, it means massive amounts of heat. The data all point to the same truth. The deep ocean is warming, slowly, quietly, but steadily. Why the deep ocean is heating up? The deep ocean does not warm from sunlight. Instead, warming happens step by step. First, greenhouse gases trap heat in the air. Then, the surface ocean absorbs that heat. Over many years, ocean currents carry some of it downward. This process is slow. It can take decades. But once heat reaches the deep ocean, it stays there for a very long time. The deep ocean acts like a memory. It remembers heat long after the surface changes. That is why warming at depth is now becoming more visible. Why deep-sea life is at risk. Life in the deep ocean is different from life near the surface. Deep-sea animals live in extreme conditions: cold water, low oxygen, very little food. They evolved for a stable world. Even small temperature changes can cause big problems. Warmer water holds less oxygen. This makes it harder for animals to breathe. At the same time, warmer temperatures increase energy needs. Animals must use more energy just to survive. For creatures like deep-sea octopuses, comb jellies, and slow-moving fish, this is dangerous. They cannot move quickly to safer places. They cannot adapt fast. Some may stop growing. Some may struggle to reproduce. Some may disappear before we even know they exist. Changes we are already seeing. Scientists have already seen signs of stress. Deep-sea animals are shifting their ranges. Some species are moving upward. Others are becoming harder to find. Food chains are changing. Tiny organisms at the bottom of the food web are affected first. When they change, everything above them feels it. This is not just a surface problem. It is a deep ocean problem, and it is happening right now. Why this matters to the surface world. The deep ocean and the surface ocean are connected. Heat stored deep below affects the entire planet. As the ocean warms, water expands. This raises sea levels. Stored heat also fuels stronger storms. Warmer oceans give storms more energy. Weather patterns shift. Fisheries move. Coastal communities feel the effects. What happens in the deep ocean never stays there. What scientists still don't know. There are still many questions. Scientists do not yet know how fast deep ocean warming will continue. They do not know how long ecosystems can survive these changes. Much of the deep ocean has never been explored. Many species have never been studied. Some may be affected before we even discover them. This is why scientists are watching the deep ocean more closely than ever. A quiet warning. The deep ocean does not make noise. It does not warn us. It absorbs heat in silence. It holds that heat for decades, and it changes the world slowly from below. We may never see most of these changes with our own eyes, but the planet will feel them. This is the unrecorded world, and much of its story is still unfolding.